I was about 5 years old, had an eye trauma. Somebody threw something to my eye. It was very traumatic. I remember going down, and I remember being taken away in an ambulance. Through the years, it was one of those things growing up. It was just something I accepted. My right eye kind of took over. About 5 years ago, I started to really things were blurry, and corrective lenses couldn't help anymore. And the doctor that referred me to a specialist at the time said when there's an eye trauma, cataracts tends to set in. And it was an early onset that took away any vision I had, even the capability of putting a corrective lens over the eye. I went to the optometrist here at my local Costco, and he goes, well, let's find a doctor that's gonna suit you. And he did his homework and he found Dr. Richheimer.
Josephine Bauer is a patient that came to me, very apprehensive. She'd been seen years ago and told that her cataract was either inoperable or would leave her with an outcome really undesirable because the surgery was, as she was told, too difficult to perform. For her, it's been a little bit of an emotional roller coaster. It took her approximately 4 months just to build up the nerve to come see me. She was afraid of being turned away for surgery again.
You know, the one thing about Dr. Richheimer is that he could tell right away when I started to open up a little about what happened to my eye and what caused it. He could tell it was something a little more emotional for me. And he sat and he listened to me like a friend would listen to me. He looked at me and said, I can do this. At that point, I couldn't wait to do it.
Josephine saw 20/20 on the day after her surgery.
I could see the clock across the room. That's the biggest thing. I could see what time it is. You know, most people take that for granted. Yeah, I could see the clock across the room, but I couldn't. Watching TV, couldn't see out of my left eye. I had to prop myself up so I could see with my right eye. You know, those little things, like beyond words. He gave that back to me that was taken away from me when I was a child. I don't even have words to express thank you.